Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Theory B of 5.4. So, how do you calculate a percentage? Now, when we're talking and we're saying, hey, 25 out of 50 students are boys. And then you know, oh yeah, 25 out of 50, that must be 50%. But you know this because 25 out of 50, you can write it as a fraction. This is actually the 100%. This is the total amount of students. This, when you simplify that fraction, you get a half. And you know that 1 out of 2, when you write it as a decimal, this is something you know, it's 0.5, which is as a percentage, 50%. Now, this is an easy one, but you're not always going to get easy ones. So let's have a look. In the class, there are 26 students and 18 of them have passed the math test. So what percentage is that? So 18, you write it down as a numerator. This is what you want to calculate, so numerator. And the total amount of students in the class is 26. And this you write down as the denominator. Denominator. And this is the total amount of students. This is what you want, and this is the total amount. Now, when you divide it, let's have a look. 18 divided by 26. This is not a percentage yet. This is the decimal that belongs to this fraction. So, to get the decimal, to get the percentage, you multiply times 100. Multiply times 100, and then you get it 69.23 ... Don't round yet, and then you round it to 69.2%. You're multiplying times 100%, but you don't type the percent into the calculator. Let's try it out. So let's try a simple one. Let's do 25 out of 75 students. 25 failed the math test, and there are 75 students. This, if you just think logically, this is 3 out of 4. This is 1 out of 3, 25 of 75. So this is going to be 33.333%. That's your thinking. Let's see if you are right. 25 students failed the math test, 75 students in total. You multiply times 100. What is the percentage that we will get? 25 divided by 75. Hey! Times 100 immediately, boom, indeed, 33.33, and we round to one decimal, 33.3%. So the difference here of theory 5.4 and the first one, A and B, I will show you later, but this is the video that belongs to theory B of 5.4.